Good morning, everybody. Buongiorno, wassalamu alaikum, and namaste. It's me, Among Chaudhary. I'm going to present you my first semester project, Hospital Management System. And this is the checklist of my management system. My student ID is what the hell? My student ID is 261405553. My name is Umang Chaudhary, and I'm studying in the BCU affiliated college Sunway. And this is my project. This is my project. Now let's go part by part, section by section. I'm going to show you. I have completed every single thing. Every single thing has been implemented. Point to be noted. Every single thing has been implemented. Let's start with admin login section. The flowchart of admin login section, user login section is this. After starting the program, the display of login screen will be shown, and we have to input username and password. If it is correct, it will take the decision, and if it is correct, it will access the grant and initialize the dashboard and stop. If it is not correct, it will go in the loop of invalid credential until and unless you write the correct password. So let's run. This is simple flowchart explaining the login section, how to log in. Simple as it is. Now let's start. I have run the program. Let's minimize this, maximize this, and here is the intra login section. And by the way, the name of hospital is Vibe Care Hospital. The username is admin, admin, password is 123 by default, and we have logged in successfully. Congratulations. Let's continue, and this is the dashboard of main menu. And as I mentioned in the flowchart, we have successfully ran the program. Enter the admin section, the dashboard. Now let's kill the terminal. Let's run again, and let's put the wrong password. Let's put the password admin, login username, password is this random. Look, invalid credentials as I mentioned in the flowchart. Now let's enter and let's say yes, I want to change the password. Try again, admin. Password is 123. Simple. Logged in successfully. Enter. Okay, we have reached in the dashboard. So this one I have completed. Now let's do the doctor section, patient section, and assigning doctor to the patient section. Let's do for the doctor. Register, view, update, and delete. Let's do it. Enter the instructor management. Let's add the doctor first. Doctor name. Let's say doctor name is Umanga. Umanga. Chaudy. And specialty. Let's say I'm a neurologist. 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 Logged in successfully. Now let's view the doctor. All the doctors are shown, and the added doctor is shown right below. Right now I have added just before, so it is showing that. Now let's update the doctor detail. If let's say I have typed mistakenly, the admin typed mistakenly the neurologist. Let's say if this guy was a gynecologist and someone entered, it is a neurologist. So we have to update. We have to update the specialty. So let's update. ID number 3. Specialty, let's say GYN gyno. Okay, doctor updated successfully. Entered. Now let's say okay, nice, it has updated successfully. So all these 4 things has been done: registering, viewing doctor, updating doctor, and deleting doctor. So this one is all clear. Now let's see the view patients. Let's see the patients. To see the patient, we have to go back to the menu section and patient management. Click there. Now press 1. Now look, this is the initial patient which I had already included in the code, so it is automatically showing. We can add, we can update, we can do anything, we can move around this thing to change, update, or anything like we did in the doctor section. Yes. Okay, I have done view patient section. Now assigning a doctor to the patient. This one is okay. Assigning a doctor, this is also easy. Let's assign a doctor. Right now nobody are assigned in the doctor section. Let's assign somebody. Okay, let's assign somebody. Let's assign Cristiano Ronaldo to a cardiologist. Okay, let's assign patient ID 3, no 2. Now cardiologist, this one is cardiologist. Now enter. Now successfully I have assigned a doctor to a patient. Now to see that, I have to go to the patient section. Now view all patients. Now look, it has changed. I have assigned a doctor, so this all thing is done. 40% is sure, for sure. 40%. Now let's move to the next section of 50%. 50% section. Now there it is assigned. They say to do these 3 things. Discharge a patient account. That means remove your patient from a system. To discharge a patient, okay, first let's add. There are just three patients, so let's add one to remove. Add new patients. Let's add random age 99. Okay, random. Okay, now let's delete that patient. Now let's view the patient. This one just I have assigned, so now let's delete. Delete means let's discharge. First let's discharge. To discharge means to remove them from the patient list, as it is remove the patient from the system. Now let's remove. Let's go to the back section. Now discharge the patient, option 4. Discharge ID, patient ID 3. Yes, I wanna discharge. Okay, now we have already discharged. Now to verify it, we have to go here. Look, that patient ID 3 is successfully deleted. Now let's move to the admin can view the discharge patient list. Okay, admin can view the discharge patient list. Let's go in the dashboard. Now discharge. Okay, discharge patient, option 4. No, my mistake. Enter. Okay, assign a doctor, discharge a patient, view discharge, option 5. Now this is the discharge patient as I discharged previously. Now let's go to the next section. Update the admin own information, that means name and address. Okay, it is also easy. Admin part. Okay, enter. Admin setting, option 9. Here we are assigned to update the admin own information, name and address. Okay, I have to enter the new username. Let's say new username Umanga, address Balaju, password okay 123, same. No, let's say Umanga 123. Okay, enter. Now admin section, we have updated the admin section. We have updated the name and address. As mentioned. Now let's log out. Data saved. Goodbye. Let's run again. Kill the terminal. Run again. Let's run again. UMNGA. UMNGA. What was the password? 123. Oh my god. UMA. Please try again. Was it the previous? Was it changed? ADMIN 123. Logged in. Okay. Just name has been changed. No problem. You update the admin own information. Just name and address has been changed. Option 9. Look. Just name and address has been changed. Okay. This is also done. The hospital systems should be able to store and load all the patient data from. Okay. No. This one. Oh, this one is done. This one is all completed. All completed. As mentioned, all these three things has been already completed. Update admin. Okay, all three has been updated. Now let's move to the next section. Patient have name, symptom, age, mobile address, etc. Okay. Name, symptom, age, mobile address. Is patient name. Okay, let's go in the patient management system. Options 2. View patient. No. This one is not. Add symptom of the patient. Option number 7. Let's add symptoms. Okay, let's add the symptom of Ronaldo. Oh, no. Okay. Ronaldo. New symptom. What? New symptom. Factor. FACTURA. Factor. No. Let's add fever also. FEVR. Fever. Fever added successfully. Now to see, we have already added. We have to go to the view all patient now. Fever is added successfully. Symptom, age, mobile and address. Name, patient have name, symptom, age, mobile and address. Okay. All three has been done. Enter option. So to this, all name, symptom, age, mobile and address has been assigned. To see that, we have to go in the management report. Management report. Okay. We have to go in the management. Symptom, name, age, mobile and address. Okay. Group patient by family. Admin section. Save data. Okay, option 2. Let's go. View patient detail. Okay, view patient detail. Okay, here is age, symptom, name, ID, age, and doctor assigned. All these things are implemented. So let's move ahead. Patient of same family and grouped together by admin. Patient have name, same family are grouped together by the admin. Okay, the name hospital systems should be able to store the load of the patient data from and into the file. Okay, this one is same family. Patient of the same family group are together by the admin. Okay, same group we have to do this one. Let's go in the main section menu. Now group the patient by the family. Okay, family option 6. Enter the choice family, enter the family ID 0001. Enter the patient ID through group. Okay, let's group Ronaldo and fever. Okay, fever patient 0 and 2. 0, 2. Okay, patient are grouped on the family ID 0001. Okay, nice. And uh, 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 Option 8. Okay. Okay, we have already done this part which is not coming. Mobile part, uh, the family that we have just right now assigned, this part and this part and this part is not coming in the CLI part. Not, it is saving but it is not displaying in the CLI part because I have focused on the GUI part, which is the magical part of the CLI, which has done all the CLI has all the features, A to Z, all the features. Just in the CLI part, something is missing. The missing part is not displayed, but it has been implemented. That's the point. Not displayed, but has been implemented, as mentioned, as I have showed. Okay. Now this is done. This is done. The hospital system should be able to store and load the patient data from and into the file. Okay. To be able to store and load all the patient data from and into a file. Okay, let's save the data into a file. Let's add, first of all, let's add one patient. Let's add one more patient. Let's add, and let's see will it be shown in the hospital data or not. If it is shown, then I have done this part also successfully. Okay, let's do view patient. Let's add patient name, patient name SSRA DD as Shraddha, ATHAKAR Adhikari, age 20, mobile number 98, random, postal code random, family ID. Let's add 0001. Now successfully added. It is showing. Now let's go back. Now let's go in the option 10, so it will save all the data. Enter it. The saved data should be shown here. Okay, nice. Right now all the patient data has been, this one is just right now I have created, and this is it. I have successfully done this one part also. This was the complex part. I did it. Complex. Okay. Did. Done. To be honest, in the CLI part, I don't know why the mobile number, the mobile number, address are not showing, but in the GUI part, it is showing for sure because I focus on GUI part. GUI in the last section. In the GUI, everything is done. Every single thing is done. Nothing is left. So that's the point. Now let's go for the 80% section. Relocating the patient from one doctor to another doctor. This is the complex part. Now this is also done. To check whether I have done or not, let's add one patient. Let's assign one to the doctor. Let's assign a patient to a doctor. Let's assign Shraddha Adhikari to patient ID 3 to a cardiologist. Okay, John Carlos. Okay, now assign successfully. Now to see, I have to go and view doctor, view all patients. Look, assign. Now I have to relocate the doctor to another doctor. So to do so, it is simple. Go back to the menu. View discharge group patient, discharge assign doctor to. Okay, let's assign again. Reassign. That means relocating. I have to do 3. Relocating a patient. Okay, patient to which doctor? Let's say CNED internal med, John Smith. Okay, now from John Carlos it will be moved to a John Smith. Okay, let's see. Will it or not? View all patient. Okay, John Smith successfully done. Successfully done. Just in the CLI part, the thing that is not displaying is mobile patient mobile number and address. Just these two things is missing, but it is in the GUI part. I'm going to show you later on. Okay. Now I have relocated a patient successfully. Now admin can request a management report. Okay, management report, which should show this four thing. Now let's go in the management report. Management report is also easy peasy. Management report. To see the management, we have to go in option 8. Now let's see what we need to. Total number of doctor in the system. The total number of doctor in the system are 3, and there are 3 doctors. Look, 3 doctors are shown, and the number of patient per doctor. Patient per doctor is also patient count. That is the patient count is also shown successfully. Tick. Now number of patient per doctor shown. Now total number of per month. Per month appointment. This is monthly appointment volume. This in February 2 appointment. One is this one is this one. Has been done. Now the total number of patient based on the illness. Based on the illness, look, I have done it in simple CLI. It's easy. I have shown it, but in the GUI part, I have shown it in the bar by using the chart. I have shown it. So GUI is the main part. If we have GUI, no need of CLI. Why the hell we need CLI? So this is done. That means this 12 part is also done. And again, all the things has been implemented till now. Just the mobile number and address is not showing in the CLI part. I don't know why right now it's not showing, but it is for sure implemented in the GUI part. Everything else has been shown successfully. Every single thing. Now view diagram of the report. Okay, now this is the interesting view diagram of the report. Diagram, that means ABCD. Yeah, this is the diagram in the CLI part. Now it's showing the GUI, the twist, the main part GUI. Oh, now this is the GUI. This is the code made by the help of Tkinter. Yes, Tkinter, and I have used Canva. To show the chart and this diagram to management report. To show the management report, I have used Canva. It is simple, so simple. Just 286 lines of code. Simple as it is. Now let's run. It is so so good. Okay, let's run. Run. The by default admin and password. Let's log in. This is the name of the patient as I showed you. These are the patient and the patient management. The patient management, they here the Shraddha Adhikari, it has updated. It was not there before, but now it is updated as assign. Now let's do the let's add one patient. Okay, let's add one patient. Patient name, say patient name Virat, Koli Kohli. Okay, now his age is, let's say, 35, 36. Okay, assign. Now I have to add patient. Add a symptom. Let's add a symptom. Please select the patient. Okay, patient selected. Symptom FEVR, fever. Okay. Now let's add a doctor. Doctor name. No. Let's assign a doctor. Let's assign a doctor. Cancel, 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 cancel. Assign a doctor. Let's assign a doctor. These are the three doctors. Now let's assign to a Zone Carlos. Zone Carlos. Okay. Assigned successfully. Now let's add the symptom already added. Group. Let's add a group. 0003. Okay. Done, done, done. Now let's see the management. Patient management. Okay. Okay, okay, these are the doctors. Okay, 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 okay. Discharge level. Okay, now this is made with the help of Canva and Tkinter. These are this one part. GUI to perform all the above functions. Suitable graphic user interface to perform all the above functions. All the above things has been implemented successfully. This one is the workload. This one is the monthly volume as I showed in the CLI part, and this is the illness status. Three patients are having a fever, one are having cold, one a vomit, one has chest pain, and one doctor load workload is just one patient is one doctor is only busy, one doctor is only seeing the patient. So that's it. In the admin section I can okay, admin. Let's change the admin to UMANJ Umonga. Okay, let's change the address into BLJU Balaju. Okay, new password UMANGA123. Okay, updated. Now let's log out, log into the system. Okay, nice. This was not running in the CLI part. I don't know why, but here it is updated. Now let's write UMNG 123. Okay, log into the system. Oh my god. UMNG 123. Okay, nice. Successfully done. And one thing is missing. Just one thing is missing. I don't know why. Age is showing, symptom is showing, doctor is showing, family ID is showing. Family ID is showing, and the this one, which one part? Name is showing, symptom is showing, age is showing, just mobile and address is not showing. So let's tick this one also, because all these three as this one is just a few line of code which is missing. I don't know why. So everything is implemented, every single thing is implemented. So this is it. This is my project. I hope I will get 80 plus marks. Okay, okay. Now let's now thank you. Gracias.